Good afternoon, my friends. So, here I am. There was a question posed to me, specifically actually, in the Gosun, I don't know if it was kitchen or help group, so I thought I would try to answer it since I actually have a really beautiful day. I don't know, you guys can see it when on. It's a really nice day outside. Obviously it is quite brisk out. As you can see. So what the question was that is it possible to pose this upright and be able to boil water in it? So we're going to go ahead. This is actually sitting upright. The ground in this area is most certainly not level. Say hello to my little buddy here, that is Outlaw. He is most certainly a good little buddy. And that's almost 2 cups there, which is really nice. Okay, so we have that there. It is posed, although I don't know if you can see, it's not, get your nose out of there, mister. Oh dear, sorry. You guys don't need to be seeing my sandals. But now to see if we can get it the right position. Now there is a little knob right here, and so far it's not casting any shadows. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon, so there should be a slight shadow, which I don't know if you can see. There is just the slightest shadow there, but I do have my little thermometer. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there, drop that in there real quick, and I'm going to actually put that behind so it doesn't do any blocking whatsoever. Where is the lid? So I think I had mentioned before that I lost this lid, and one of my recommendations is if you are going to get the Gosun Kit, which is, little solar oven kit, it is about the same size, the same tray size as you're going to use in the Gosun Go, but this one comes with a slide out tray that's separate from the lid. If you're like anything like me and you set things down for 1 second and they just disappear, I would recommend getting either a replacement tray for the Gosun Go or even just go for the Gosun Go LE tray, because it's all in one piece and still very, very usable. So that is my particular recommendation. So far, I think we've gone up. So it might be a slow go just because it isn't, I don't know. Let me see if I can feel. There is some warming here. I can feel it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and check in on this in about 20 minutes or so. I might reposition in a little bit, but I'd like to check back in 20 minutes and see how we've gone from 63 degrees and see where we go from there. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. All right, friends, 20 minutes later, here we are at 115 degrees. So it does work. At this rate, I'd say about 45 minutes or so would probably be where the boiling water is. But that's still pretty good. I'm excited. That's cool to know that does stand up on end, which is really neat, and the temperature is still rising. So here is your question, my friend. It does stand up. If you guys have any other questions, and not only does it stand up, it does work standing up, specifically on a mostly cloudless sky. So if you guys have any more questions about this, please feel free to leave it in the comments, or you can always ask them in the Gosun Facebook groups. I'm on there a lot frequently, trying to look for questions that I would like to be able to help answer. And other than that, I will see you guys next time. Please be safe, be healthy, be happy, and have an awesome day.